This is a 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. First, let's locate the lights. The two lights and they're right below the Subaru emblem over there. In order to work on this, it's better to just open up the lift gate. It just makes the life easier. So open the lift gate, there's the light. We'll first have to get it out. You can do it by hand, but I'm going to show you how to do it with the screwdriver. Use a screwdriver to push it inside. First push it in and then out. So slide it in there and then use a screwdriver to pry the light out. See that? I'm going to do it again with my thumb so you can see it. So slide it in and out. In and out, and it comes right out like that. There is the light. We need to now get the bulb holder out of the light. So grab the bulb holder, twist it left like that. Or alternatively, you can just hold on to the bulb holder and twist the lens left. Left, it's loose. Back again, twist it left, it's loose again, and it's out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 168 or 194. Again, 168 or 194. Get the new replacement bulb, align it with the pins over there, and simply push it in to secure it in place. And that's good. Now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. When you're putting it in, make sure the bulb holder sits flush, like looks like that. It's not sticking out. Once it's sitting like that, all you now have to do is just twist it right a little bit to secure it in place, and you're good. To put the light back in the body, just note the position of that black clip, the black plastic clip on the light. Yeah, that should be facing the inside of the car, over there. Just note that position and put that side in first. And the light goes in at an angle. So put that side in first at an angle, then the other side. Maybe you have to slide the light left to right a little bit to get it in place, and then push it and it'll clip in and get secured in place. And that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.